How to change language on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In here, scroll down to system and then click on system, which will open these options. At the top, click on languages and input. Then click on languages, which is the first option in here. Then click on add a language. And then you will find all these options. Select the one language you want to change it to. After you've clicked on the language, it will simply add it. And if you want to change it to the first, you can simply drag it upwards, which will change your language. And this is how to change language on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.